Hi guys, so I've just woken up. It's Tuesday the 5th of March and I am suffering from a sugar hangover, guys. Yesterday, I don't know what got into me, but yours truly thought it would be wise to make some homemade cookies and have some homemade cookies. So I didn't even make many. I made 4 cookies with Nutella, and I had them. I ate them. I didn't even eat all of them. I had 3 of them. Guys, I think, what time is it? It's 10:30 at the moment, and I've just woken up from the worst night I've had in ages. I couldn't even get out of bed. I just had to lay in bed and let it pass. But I swear I am feeling so rough. So I'm going to go to Tesco's to get some celery and make some celery juice, and hopefully I'll feel better. Hopefully. Alright guys, so today I'm going to take you along with me to Tesco's for the day. Just going to vlog today and see if I can vlog on a daily basis. I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna certainly give it a go today. Dan is away. Dan works away from home 4 days out of the week. I honestly hate it because I'm so lonely. I have nobody to talk to, and the bed is just not great, and I end up going to sleep like really late because it's not here. I don't know why, but I'm gonna vlog today and share my day with you guys. Not sure what I'm getting up to today, but yeah, we're gonna go to Tesco's to get some celery, because I heard celery is the new thing to like drink, and I need to flush my system. I need to like get rid of all this toxicity, yeah, toxicity. Okay guys, feeling so awkward. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so I'm walking around, and while it's quiet, it's still like quite embarrassing when you see that odd person and they're clearly staring at you vlogging. Yeah. And talking to yourself. It's so awkward. But we shall relearn how to do it. Guys, look, I feel like I'm in the Garden of Eden. Although I'm not. I'm clearly on the street. And excuse the get up. Still a bit breezy, and I am not in a mood to put any makeup on or to zhuzh myself up. Ain't nobody got time for that. We're only going to Tesco's, guys. Only going to Tesco's. Do. We're fighting to party, dance the night away. I wanna do it with my baby. That's like a preview of a song I'm writing, guys. That's legit a preview. Okay, so when I'm cooking, because I don't want to be lonely, I've got my laptop here to watch shows, guys. So bad. But you know, when Dad's not here, life is so bad. It's just not happening for me. So yeah, dirty dishes. Should we like give you a different view? Let's not look at my dirty dishes. Let's go here. Boom. Oh man, they're still in view. Damn it! When it feels like this. Boom, guys, boom. Look at, you can see me. Oh my God, I wanna say, you can see me now. We're in the dark. Okay, my neighbors must think, what the hell is going on with this chick? Why is she like in the house on her own, singing and making a fool of herself? Like, I don't know. But yeah, so much better now that we have a bit of light. Guys, I finished my shopping spree. Yay! We made it. We made it. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Okay, so done my shopping, and I'm gonna make myself a celery juice to revive me, to make me feel better than I was feeling before, because I woke up feeling so horrible. I might be smiling, but I don't think my insides are all that happy. So yeah, there we go. Making such a I don't know what I'm doing today. Why am I so hype? But it feels like this. Something wrong with me, guys. Something wrong. Let me tell you about my kitchen though. Let me tell you about my kitchen. Let me tell you about my whole flat. My whole flat is a basement flat, so there's barely any like natural light. My previous flat was just drenched in light. You just open the curtains, you wake up and it's sunny outside. In my bedroom, this bedroom that I've got here, first it's a basement flat, so there isn't much light coming through, and then we've got these light killing curtains. I don't know what they're called, but nothing gets through. You don't know. You could wake up at 1 o'clock. Oh gosh, started. You could wake up at 1 o'clock and not know what time it is, because they just cancel out all the light. So Dan and I got this alarm clock that gradually gets brighter, like it turns the light on when it's time, or 15 minutes before you want to wake up, it starts to like turn itself on, and it gets brighter and brighter and brighter, and that helps us wake up. That's literally what we need, otherwise we would oversleep. My sitting room again has no natural light, it's just dark, so we keep the lights on in the house, which is so annoying. But like the dining room area, what would be the dining room that I've turned into my office, is bright. That's the only light that kind of comes through, but it's still not enough for me. So yeah, it's a struggle life. I'm having to use my ring light all the time, like most of the time. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it improves when like summer comes around, it's better. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make my juice and I'm gonna show you guys. My lemons are like for my morning time lemon water that I have every morning. Let's just like go down here, so I'm sure it looks really awkward. It looks really awkward, but my lemons are for my lemon juice. And back to me, and back to yours truly. Okay guys, here we go. It's alright, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, I like it. So I thought it would be really horrible, but actually I think the apple that I've put in and the ginger are giving it an extra little kick, and there's a sweetness to it. So guys, I've just realized, or I've just googled, that it's pancake day today. It's pancake day. I love pancakes. I love pancakes. What am I gonna do? I can't have pancakes because that would mean I need to have sugar. I have to have sugar because my favorite type of pancakes are lemon and sugar pancakes, and they're just plain pancakes. So I'm a little bit lost at the moment. And if I was to have pancakes, I would need Dan to be here. Like, Dan's not here. Having pancakes on your own is just not fun. It's just not it. So Dan's not here. And I can't have sugar. So that means I miss out on pancake day this year. Which is, I don't know, it's heartbreaking at the moment. Feeling a bit odd, feeling a bit weird. Help me. This is not it. Don't know. Maybe we'll have pancake day when he comes back. Maybe like at the weekend. But I know at the weekend we're going back to Oxford. Actually, which is even better. We could have pancake day in Oxford on Saturday. Maybe. But then that means I'm breaking my diet. So I'm just a little bit confused at the moment, guys. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with my life. Hey guys, so that's my first vlog, my first daily vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to do one a day. I want to put out a video a day, whether it's a vlog or it's a more sit down kind of video. I just really want to be consistent and active on the tube, so keep an eye out for them. Pray for me, obviously, because obviously what you want to do isn't necessarily what you end up doing. So pray for me, guys, and hopefully I keep it going. And I shall see you in the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.